Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through our 2019 Volkswagen GTI. This vehicle comes in a beautiful blue exterior and a true to the GTI retro cloth plaid Clark interior. Drivers and passengers have manual lumbar, height adjustment, but power backrest. You have a blacked out headliner. Rear seat space is ample with lots of leg space, head space, but you do have nice ventilation, giving you heating and cooling directly to the rear seats. To open up the hatch, you do flip open the Volkswagen logo here. Tons of cargo space, 60/40 rear split. You do have a center pass-through if you are putting longer items through. Left and right side do have cubby cutouts so that you could fit in bottles or tools. Coming around to the driver's side, same setup as the passenger, as mentioned earlier. You do have your window switches, your door switch, your mirror switch, your light switch, and then you have the classic GTI steering wheel. Well bolstered, nice cool aluminum design down here. On the left side, you do have your cruise control. This does have radar cruise control, as well as driver assist, lane assist, blind spot, rear traffic, and front assist. You could control the volume on the left side as well. On the right side, you have your forward and skip for playback, as well as your Bluetooth voice control. This vehicle has 32,384 kilometers on it. A quick image of the backup camera here. Coming through, you do have radio, AM, FM. You do have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay available to you. You do have a mode button available to you here, giving you Eco, Normal, Sport, and Custom, just down below. You also have a park sensor button here, showing you all the parking sensors available to you. This also does have Park Assist, and you'll see that pop up there, allowing you to have assistance while driving into a parallel or reversing into a parking spot. This vehicle does have automatic climate control, so driver and passenger have two separate controls, can set their own temperature. You do have heated seats available to you as well. Coming on below, you will find your USB input for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Quick image here of the gear shift knob. You got nice cup holders there, as well as a 12 volt right beside it. Nice cubby area. And a quick image again of the unique Clark seats. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through our 2019 Volkswagen GTI with driver assistance package, helping you out in the crazy Toronto streets. Feel free to reach out to us and ask us any questions that you may have. We are more than happy to assist you, help you find a vehicle that suits all of your needs and more. Thank you very much. Take care.